So the first item we have here is the hat. It has this really nice stitching. It looks like real stitching. Overall nice texture. Can we talk about this sticker? It's so cute and I can't believe it's a sticker. It's great. And here's the inside of the hat. A regular hat kind of. And this patch was so cute. Is so cute. And the buckle adjustment thing, pretty good. Here's me trying it on. I don't really like how I look in these kinds of hat, but it looks okay. It actually fits pretty well. I have a pretty big head. Next is the sweater. It has this nice VANS patch and it's like pretty stitched on well. The inside is pretty soft, but I don't really like the material of the inside because I feel like it's one of those materials where you wash it once and dry it once, it's gonna get messed up. And here's this patch again. It's super cute. Here's me trying it on. Honestly, I don't think this is worth $75 because of the materials they use. It's very thin and cheap feeling. Next is this shoe. The box are so cute. There's even like a drawing inside. And the paper wrap is so cute too. So here's the first shoe. This looks like a pin and I try to pull it off, but I think it's super glued on there. Yeah. Here's the inside. It's really cute with the purple stripes. Here's the other side. I think this is the right side. Here's the right side. This is the same as the other one. I thought it was a pin. Try to pull it off, but it's not. And there's a snake in this one. Super cute. And just regular old waffle bottoms. Here's me trying them on. I think they're cute, but they're not my favorite. I thought they would be my favorite looking at them online. They looked really cute online, and so I got them. Here's the next shoe. Carefully. I've always wanted platform shoes, but I'm like 5'6", and that's like considered tall for a girl. These platforms are kind of heavy, like as I expected, but overall it's super cute. And there's like this little bonefish on the heel. It's super cute. Here's me trying them on. They look pretty normal in picture. Also, you can break your ankles with these. Well, for me, I can. It's great. Here's a side view, which is super cute. Oh my goodness, like I can't stop saying cute. Like everything is so cute. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. I've always wanted platforms. I don't really like the plaid. They kind of look like Woody from Toy Story to me for some reason. I don't know why. Here's the next shoe. I was so excited for this. The first time I saw this, I wanted it so bad. And this was like special, like it shipped by itself, and it has 2 paper wrappings for each of the shoe. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited just by watching this. But oh my gosh, look at that zero. That is so cute. Here's a better look. And here's me trying them on. Super cute. Oh my goodness. I can't. It's so cute. There was a problem on one of them at the toe. It's like there's like paint stuck on it, but I think I can get it off. Yeah, but I'm not gonna return it just because of that. I think they're sold out already. So cute. There's that paint thing. I'm just so in love with these shoes. Oh my gosh, look at the back. So cute. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you liked the video. Thanks. Bye.